Hi, I'm Sallieann Harrison and this is a video tutorial centred around my Christmas wreath sewing caddy. It comes as a PDF download. You can see just briefly it's full of pictures. I am a photograph person out and out, so it's not diagrams, it's actually full colour pictures all the way through, and there's templates that come at the end. As you can see, it's a circular, like donut shaped pincushion with a centre where you can actually put all those clover clips. Practice on a warm-up piece is probably a good idea, because then you find that if you do a warm-up piece, you get your sort of the unevenness goes from your stitching and you start to become more and more even as you go on. So I'm just taking little bites into the vine.